My name is Tobe Tendergrass. I'm an Igbo boy from the southwest side of Houston, Texas, and it is an honor to be able to do our version of Wake Up Everybody by the legendary Harold Melvin and the Blue Notes, aka Teddy Pendergrass. So today, as you hear my baby talking in the background, I am Tobe Tendergrass. Let's go. Wake up everybody, no more sleeping in bed. No more backwards thinking, time for thinking ahead. The world has changed so very much from what it used to be. There is so much hatred, war and poverty. Wake up all you teachers, time to teach a new way. Maybe then they'll listen to what you have to say. Cause they're the ones who's coming up and the world is in their hands. So when you teach the children, teach them the very best you can. For you and me, for you and me, for you and me, for you and me. Wake up all you doctors, make the old people well. They're the ones who suffer and catch all the hell. But they don't have so very long before the judgment day. So won't you make them happy before they pass away? Wake up all you builders, time to build a new land. I know we can do it if we all lend a hand. The only thing we have to do is put it in our mind. Surely things will work out, they do it every time. Everybody say the world won't get no better. The hood won't get no better. The world won't get no better. We gotta change it, yeah. Just you and me. Just you and me. You and me. You and me. Say Maya.
No better, and my hood won't get no better. The world won't get no better. We gotta change it, yeah. You and me.
Talk to him, Luke.
The world won't get no better.
Talk to him, Dave.
The world won't get no better. My hood won't get no better.
Yeah.
The world won't get no better. You gotta change it, yo.
Yeah.
You and me, you and
gotta change it now.
Yeah.
You gotta change. You gotta change.
Yeah.
You gotta change.
Yeah.
You gotta change.
Keep going.
You gotta change.
Yeah.
You gotta change.
Yeah.
You gotta change.
Yeah.
You gotta change.
No music.
You gotta change. 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 You gotta change.
My name is Tobe Tendergrass. I'm from the southwest side of Houston, Texas. We love y'all. Make the change. Don't let 2021 be 2020 part 2 for you. You know what I'm saying? We love y'all. Shout out to my Uncle Nell. Shout out to the keyboard kid, Nick Humes. Shout out to David Michael White, Luke Whitney, Maya Tucker. My queen, my everything except my G.O.D. FAT. My wife Fat. And my babies. Baby Fat, come here. There you go. Come here, my baby. She is a clown. Come on, my baby. Come on. Do me a favor, look there, say hi. Say hi. And we love y'all. Peace.